Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another video on my ways to make money selling in 2024. We are almost there. Hang in there. These videos are coming every day in December and I am not going to let you down. So just be here or be square when these videos drop. So let's get into it. As always, I'm going to use my POD framework, idea, research, platform, product, and design. The idea that we're going to talk about today is to tap into the demand for personalized outdoor and camping gear, including printed tents, camping chairs, and outdoor cooking equipment. So some research help would be to create some fun enamel mugs or soup cups, as they call them, to enjoy drinks or meals throughout a camping trip. They can be designed to be personalized. That says something like the Johnson family trip, camp trip 2024. It could be happy birthday or Evan's birthday trip, just some things like that to make it fun and engaging or to ramp up the orders for that specific product. The site we're going to use today is Printful. Again, always my number one. And the product we're going to use is the enamel mug. And I have one of these, super cute. So I created a simple design in Canva. I did go to ChatGPT to ask them to come up with some kind of quirky pun for a camping mug. And it came up with life is intense, coffee helps. So basically life is intense, coffee helps. And I just did a little coffee mug here and then a little tent up here. And here is the final mock-up of that mug. Super cute. I think it came out really good. And I think I would enjoy having this mug on a camping trip. Sorry about that. It should have said enamel mug, but hey, shit happens. All right. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Come back tomorrow for another new video. We have a couple more days to go and until the new year. And I am here with you guys, rooting you on, cheering you on, wishing you blessings and peace with these videos. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.